Diane. I'm glad to see you came back to see me today.
Um, yeah, I'm not sure what else is there to talk about, but I decided to be here.
It's completely okay to feel that way. You're here, and it shows you're willing to take step forward. I can see and feel that you're dealing with a lot right now. How was things been since we last talked?
Honestly, I'm struggling to go back to school.
If you don't mind, can I ask why you feel that way?
Sure, I'm worried and honestly, I felt I'm a failure person, especially at school. My grades are bad, and everyone probably thinks I'm just lazy and focusing on computer games.
It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed and worried about what others think of you. That must be tough.
Yeah, that's the point. I just feel like I can't face them. I think it's easier to stay home and play games. No judgment and gossip will I hear.
It makes sense why you might feel safer at home. It's tough to face school when you're feeling so much pressure. I notice you're avoiding because it's causing you anxiety. That's a common reaction, but we can work on ways to make it feels less overwhelming.
I just don't see how I can catch up. They are all ahead of me. I missed so many activities. Playing games helps me to forget about school.
Avoidance can provide temporary relief, but it often makes the problem feel bigger in the long run. Let's break this down together. What do you think is the biggest challenge about going back to school?
Mostly it's the grades. I'm shy to face everyone and I look like I'm a failure.
It's normal to feel that way, especially when things seem so difficult. You're not alone in feeling this, and it's okay to ask for help. Everyone has their challenges even if doesn't always look that way. Okay. So the grades are the biggest concern and facing your classmate feels difficult because of that. How would you feel about coming up with a plan to improve your grades so it feels less daunting?
Honestly, I don't know what to do. All I know and can help me now is to play games.
You know what? It's not bad to playing games, but let's have a limitation because that's the reason why you can do your activities. You don't skip play games but have a limitation.
What if I still can't do it?
It's natural to have those doubts. Well, think positive and focus on your goal. I'm here to help you. We will do it together. You are more capable than you think, and it's perfectly fine to take small steps. How about starting with attending class again and complete all activities that your instructor asks to do before you play games?
I think I could try that one.
Then that's a great start. One step at a time. And remember, I'm here to support you through this. Taking this one step can help you build confidence gradually. So, we've talked about breaking things down into the smaller step. That's a deal?
Yes, it's a deal. Thanks for talking this through with me. I feel a better I feel bit better about it.
Anytime. Diane, we'll tackle this together. You've got this. Pray and think positive. God always at your side to help you and guide you. I want you to read this. The Tire Gets Wrong Too by Jonah Sanjego. A handbook for people who needs motivation to keep moving on. But I want you to come back to talk to me. Talk to your parents, talk to your friends. That's the last thing what you do is battle all this in. I understand you became used to constantly playing computer games and staying up late. That is why you did not study. And your grades decrease, which means you are going to feel that anger and loss and denial and grief. But don't be hard on yourself. There is hope, Diane. Your life may be forever changed, but you must accept life is now. If you can do slowly step by step, the peace you seek will follow.
I appreciate all your time and effort to be with me today. I will not make any promises, but whatever you have said to me today, I will always keep that in mind and I will follow your advice to go back in school and work on improving my grades.
Great. I'm glad to hear that from you. I'm looking forward to see you in our next session. Thank